Hi everyone, Sunday the 28th of September 2014 we finished with the construction phase of the Mosley. A few observations to note with it. One is, Mosley assume you've got a metal drill bit to be able to drill the holes for the reflector and the driven element. They pre-drill the outer one, but so you can slot in to whichever length you want to tune it. You have to drill through the inner tubing. Not so easily done when all you've got is wood drills and metal drills that are too big. So that was one assumption by Mosley. Might be a good idea to put the right size drill in with the packet with everything else. That would be useful, the right drill bit. Secondly, I've put a RF choke in. I'm going to take that out later on because the SWR dips about 400 or 500 kcs below where you want it to be. So 20 meters, it's about 13.7 megs, 13.8, and on the sort of 14.2 part SWR's high, very. Ditto on 15 and 10, so I'm not overly happy, but I'm going to work on it. I'm going to take the RF choke out later on, and then hopefully we may see a dip in the SWR and I'll adjust the elements. But it's a lot of fiddling about, I must admit, for something that should be really easy. It's taken me a lot longer than I thought. So the other thing is, in the handbook, or the instructions, which are down here, wouldn't it be useful if you had a diagram like that with the gaps between the two elements and lengths, and maybe some references to adjustment, whether you need to go in or out or so on, for the fine adjustment. It's devil's in the detail here. There's lots of useful information, but no sort of proper measurements. Talks about final antenna element adjustments and drilling and putting tape on things, but nothing's better than a bit of a diagram. And the whole thing about suggestions, but I still prefer a diagram. But I just found it really difficult to tune. And I haven't tuned it properly yet. On the air it's okay, it's seems to be some front to back, but again, it's not optimised because I haven't got it tuned properly. So that's my initial thoughts. Mosley Mini 32A. Jury's still out on this one.